everyone, I'm Debbie Donelle, the owner of DEBra Lingerie, and today we're going to talk about washing your bras. So the product we love is Eucalan. The reason we love it is that not only is it super effective, but it's Canadian, plant-based, sulfate-free, and paraben-free. All good things. So what we've done today is we've marked a bra with lipstick to show how effective Eucalan is at cleaning your bras. So what you're going to do is you're going to take about a dime-sized amount of Eucalan. You're going to rub it directly into the stain, like so. And if your bra's not that dirty, normally you would just put the soap right in the water. So we filled this bowl with lukewarm water and a little bit more of Eucalan, and now we're going to soak it for about 20 minutes. Now when your 20 minutes is up, we're going to take the bra out of the water and we're going to squeeze it gently and tap it with a towel to get the extra water out. And we are going to hang it up to dry for around between 8 to 10 hours, depending on humidity. And now that the bra is dry, you can see that the stain is completely gone.